हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। एक्चुअली हम लोग आज बहुत दिन के बाद बात कर रहे हैं और मैं ब्लॉग बना रही हूँ। और मैं एक्चुअली बहुत बिजी थी। रिसर्च मेरा ऑफिस का काम चल रहा है तो बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी थी मैं। तो अब आज थोड़ा टाइम मिला, मैं सोची आज कुछ मेरा ऑफिस का मीटिंग एंड ऑल है नहीं, तो रिसर्च को थोड़ा ये करके दोस्त लोग बोले कि चलो पार्टी करते हैं कल। तो इसीलिए आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं शॉपिंग करने के लिए। यहाँ एक सुपर मार्केट है, उसका नाम मैक्रो है। जैसे इंडिया में होता है रिलायंस फ्रेश, बिग बिग बाज़ार, वैसे ही यहाँ सब है। टेस्को, बिग सी, मैक्रो, ये सब है। तो हम लोग वहाँ जाएंगे एंड मैं दिखाऊंगी क्या क्या हम लोग ला रहे हैं बिरयानी बनाने के लिए। वही नॉर्मल इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, बट जस्ट शॉपिंग करने जा रहे हैं और मैं दिखाऊंगी क्या क्या है वहाँ। एंड ये लोग को बिरयानी खाने को मन था, तो बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ कलर्ड राइस है, इंडियन कुछ कलर्ड राइस खाते हैं। तो मैं बोली वी कॉल्ड इट चिकन बिरयानी और वेज बिरयानी। इफ यू आर अ वेजिटेरियन and probably we will make chicken biryani as they all love chicken biryani, so I will make chicken biryani for all of them. And परसों भी हम लोग का एक पार्टी है, उसमें वो लोग बनाएंगे मेरे लिए। तो स्पेगेटी एंड ऑल कुछ बनाएंगे, आई डोंट नो। तो वही है, उसी के लिए आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं। तो दिखाऊंगी अभी, शायद बैक टू बैक ब्लॉग आएगा, मे बी 2 to 3 ब्लॉग आएगा मे बी। या सो मुझे थोड़ा प्यार दिखाते रहिए, सपोर्ट कीजिए। और मैं वीडियो रूम में ले रही हूँ, मैं जाऊँगी बाहर। इतना धूप हो रहा है थाईलैंड में, मतलब ये हफ्ता पूरा इतना गर्मी हो रहा है, क्या ही बोलूँ मैं। और बारिश वारिश कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। बारिश दिखा रहा है कल परसों शायद होगा। और कोविड का केस सेम ही चल रहा है यहाँ, बट इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है। यहाँ भी बढ़ गया था और इसीलिए लॉकडाउन अभी लगा है और सबको वैक्सीनेशन एंड ऑल चल रहा है। और मैं ऑफिस भी जब जाऊँगी, ऑफिस मेरा वैक्सीन दे रहा है, चल रहा है फ्री में। तो मैं जाऊँगी जब ऑफिस में, दिखाऊँगी कैसे जाती हूँ और कहाँ है मेरी ऑफिस, सब कुछ दिखाऊँगी। ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय, वहाँ दिखाती हूँ। अभी हम लोग मैक्रो आ गए हैं, फिर खरीद के जाएंगे। Hi Kwam. I just want to show them. Okay, this side. Okay. I think one cart will be fine, huh? I have to sign? No. Okay, na? Okay. Thank you.
This book for you. You have to
Okay. Oh my God. Too much of restriction, huh? It's too big, huh?
so it's have everything.
Yes. It's cheap or like Big C,
Yes.
Big C rate?
Yeah, yes.
Same as Big
This
C?
is the most cheapest.
Okay.
To
Like I
buy-
have heard before that like macro is somewhere here, but I never been to this supermarket. Eggplant. Oh, same like India. We will take onion also from here or from grocery. Onion. Chicken. Sorry, biryani. Not from here. I think not from here. Hey, it's okay. I will use mine. It's okay. Okay, na?
I'm not sure this macro have onion per kilo something like that.
No. It's okay.
We use
Okay.
a little bit.
Yeah. I just need a little bit here. Too big, huh?
Yes, but only 19 baht.
For kids. Just 15 baht. What's that? Mushroom?
Yes, mushroom. Such a big mushroom.
We used to eat like this one from grocery. Yeah, I think this one, yeah. The small one here.
No,
We will add in
49
spaghetti.
for the big one.
Oh, okay. You guys eat this one?
Never tried.
Yes.
It's champignon.
Okay.
Mushroom. Have you ever tried?
Not me. That's why I was like, oh my god, this is so big. Frozen mushroom, dry fruit. Yes, this side? Okay. Oh, dry fish. This is fish section. Fish, chicken. Oh, lot of kind of fish. They all are frozen fish, huh? One, if I'll buy this one, they will clean.
This one
Oh my god, what's that? What's that?
this is so fresh, and then you must clean it by yourself.
No, I don't know what's that. Like, I'm scared of that.
I think this is not die.
Okay, but it's die. It's die. Hey, Meena. If I'll buy this fish, then they will clean.
Yes, clean.
Okay.
เขาคลีนให้เหรอ per กิโลนะ
Okay, let me see. Oh no!
นางตัวฟรอก
Oh no!
Yes,
No!
sorry
I'm scared of. She was like, no, you will eat this one. Yes.
อยากกินไหม
Ooh.
แล้วย่างยังไงวะสปาเกตตี้
We need small one, Mira. Small, maybe this. Small. This is big one. Yes, that one will be good. Half kg. Maybe half or 250 gram.
I think about 100
Okay. These are the prawn section. Guys, I will show you one thing. This is frog, and I'm scared of that. they're like really scared of that. And she's like, I'm like, me Kwang hurts this. Then Kwang was like, you will it's stress, huh? Okay. Wow, colorful fish. Lobster. Oh my god, what's that? I think that's weird, I think. You want to eat this? No. No, मेरे Kwang
You
go.
see the salmon? Salmon.
No, I don't know.
Okay then.
No, मेरा Kwang, I was scared that time. You're so big fish, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like we can buy that one also.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
not for buy.
We can
Buy.
buy this. This one also. This one also.
Same as shrimp, no?
Yeah.
I think I will buy. Okay, I'll ask Mira because I want to buy fish, but I will ask her maybe. Yeah, of course.
You see this one, right? The
Oh,
big
that's
one.
a big fish. Mira, you know this fish? Can I eat? Can I buy this fish?
Yes, sure.
Not for allergy and all. Allergy.
What's it mean? This one.
Oh my
You
god.
can eat. You can.
Can you imagine
No.
my kind of dolphin?
Shark.
Shark. Baby shark.
Baby shark. Yeah.
So how much?
7-10 กิโลนะอันนี้คืออันนี้แสดงว่าไม่ถึง82 บาทใช่ปะไม่ถึงเพราะว่ามันเหลือค่าตัว7-9 ขีดI think
Pomfret. This one? No. Reasonable. Yeah. I think all these are frozen fish, but these are fish. These are clean. Salmon. Kwang. This is for me, huh?
yes.
Yeah, all are so busy. I bought it. Tilapia. I don't know. I'll try it maybe. I'm just one. That's right. Here they will clean it and then give it to us. This lady is cleaning. This is a different kind of pasta. Frozen food. I think I don't know what's it. Let's see. These are some noodles. Thai noodles. Milk session. side. Yes. Here. This seems like momos. Chicken sausages, noodles. Cheese. This is Indian tandoori naan. Wang. Indian tandoori naan.
Is it
Indian, yeah, Indian. I think it's Indian frozen food. All of them.
it's fine though.
Lot of barbecue sauce. I think price are very reasonable price. Finger fries. We will buy this one and just fry it in oil, and then it will be ready. It's a lot of. Mira, you take it like this,
Yeah.
this shape. I don't know. You. They're buying finger fries. They're my friends. Strawberry. Lot of strawberry, blueberry, cherry, mushroom, orange, lychee. Oh, oil, olive oil. Oh, this Indian fruit, vegetable. I can take this one. I have taken this one.
You want?
Rice, chicken, all these are meat area. Like I have never been to meat market before. I'm like really scared now seeing all this.
This one.
Excuse me. Hi Kwang. She told me to come with you. What's that? Sauce?
Yeah.
Which sauce? There's a lot of sauce, right? Like different flavor.
Yeah.
Maybe soy sauce. I think she's in this. Okay, not this side. Maybe. Yes, I will. Not here. Okay. Where is she? Here. It's too big, huh?
ซื้ออะไร
I bought this one. Mentos.
อุ้ยอ๋อ
I like this chip. Kwang, can you show that one? This is for mine, this is for Kwang. All these are chips.
this one support
Okay. Chicken, shrimp, squid, every flavor. What's your reaction? We buy too much.
this is mine and mine ไม่แต่เป็นคนฟังด้วยก็กินด้วยกัน together eat better เจ็บมากอันนี้อร่อยแต่เก็บไว้ได้นาน
All the wine and liquor. I think that's it. We four bought total. Yeah, I think we have to close our eyes and we will go. All the electronic section.
I have this one
Okay.
on my
Meera have this
You can use
oven and she's not baking anything. You have griller in your room? Griller? No. They have started with the vegetables, meat and the everything snacks. Oh, this the fan and everything. They have standing fan. Calculator. Freeze.
let me see
LED. Here we need to pay. There's a lot of section for paying. Let's follow my friend. मेरे दोस्त लोग को बिरयानी खाना था तो उन लोग के लिए बनाऊंगी. वो लोग भी हम लोग का फ्राइडे में सैटरडे कुछ प्लान है पार्टी का, वो भी करेंगे. एंड हम लोग इतना कुछ स्नैक्स भी खरीद के वेजिटेबल्स राइस सब कुछ मैं आपको दिखाई अंदर का पूरा जितना हो सका क्योंकि इट्स टू बिग. So we have bought all this for the biryani and some other snacks also. Maybe I will upload this video around today or tomorrow. And if you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि